Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and today I'm so excited to show you guys a brand new product of ours, which is the HSP Roll R Cover Series 3.5. What the Roll R Cover is the best roll top in the world. We say this because it has the most amount of features. It's the only one that's able to connect via phone, via Siri, via your factory remote, and a built-in touchpad. No one has done this before. It's very versatile, functional, and secure, allowing you to use your vehicle tub without giving you the restrictions of something more fixed like a hard cover or a canopy. So let's look at appearance. What you'll see first is the slim side rails, and what these will do is give a more integrated look whilst also maintaining a very sleek finish. The slim side rails also allow you to mount your sports bars straight onto the cover without increasing the height of them. That's very important. You don't want to have your side sports bars sitting above the roof of your vehicle. The other thing that they're going to do is also provide a flat platform for you to mount things like the HSP load rack or other accessories that we'll be coming out with as well. The cover is also finished in a Manix black, and what that is a semi-matte black. It flows with almost every vehicle as they're mostly using black accent features. It really integrates well with pretty much any vehicle on the market. And lastly, there's no external lock, which continues on that integrated look, but also poses fewer security risks because there isn't external locks for someone to try pry open. Now for operation, we use a triple operation method, which is something that we are very proud of. Method one is your factory remote. Our Roll R cover connects to your vehicle's central locking, which means you can operate it with your factory remote. Just double tap the lock or unlock button to open and close the cover. This also works with your internal cabin lock and unlock buttons as well. Method two, we have a touchpad on the side rails that links with your factory remote. So when your car is unlocked, these buttons activate, allowing you to open, close, and pause the cover. Now the touchpad also deactivates when you lock your car, and it does have a timer on it, which you can activate through the app. Now speaking of the app, that's your third method. Our smart receiver syncs with your mobile phone, allowing you to operate the cover with the HSP 4x4 app. You can also control the LED light, set custom functions like LED intensity, turning on and off the remote functions, setting timers for the LED light and touchpads, and even receiving over-the-air Wi-Fi updates using the HSP 4x4 smart app. The app works with both Android and Apple, and there's a bonus for Apple users. You can set Siri commands to have your voice actually operate the unit as well. Now looking inside, you can see our canister is actually the smallest on the market, and it's a perfectly uniform size and doesn't have a motor protruding out, so you get to maximize the space within your tub. The other thing that we have, which is really nice, is a 100% retraction on the curtain on almost every model. And what that means is the curtain actually retracts 100% into the canister. Most models actually stick beyond and don't fully enter in, which impedes your ability to put things inside your tub. Now, if you come a little bit closer, what you might see is the built-in LED light into the canister. And this is really nice because A, it's fully integrated into the canister. It doesn't stick out or it isn't hidden somewhere else. It's the full width of your tub, so you're going to get a really nice luminosity within your tub, and you can also control the intensity of that light through that 4x4 app. So I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Now let's talk security. Now obviously our roll top integrates with your factory remote, meaning that when your vehicle is locked, so is your roll top. That's really important. The second thing is we do have interlocking extrusions, and what that means is our extrusions lock between each other, so you can't just get a simple box cutter and cut through them like you might have seen on some other covers out there as well. Now let's talk about something that is very important to every ute user, and that is going to be water management. And our philosophy is not block the water from coming in, it's find a safe passage out, which is why we now have 4 drainage points, 1 on each corner. We have a built-in gutter into the side rail for the water to flow into, then go to the relevant drainage point. We have seals between the extrusions. We have the tri-level seal built into the side rails. And of course, we now have that great system to push the water out as well. All of those things make it very, very good for water. And as you guys have seen through some of our other videos, we do drain at over 60 liters per minute. Now, how the product integrates with your vehicle is just as important as the product itself, which is why we have made installation a breeze. We use plug and play wiring, which means you don't need to splice anything yourself or program anything. We use a clamp system as well as using those factory points that I mentioned earlier, and that gives you a real nice true fit every single time. In fact, our Roll R covers can be fitted in as little as 1.5 hours, depending on which model you're looking at. Now, last but certainly not least, is that this is the only cover that is 100% manufactured in Australia. And what that means is it's physically manufactured here, not just put together. Our design, our manufacturing, our testing is all done in Australia to give you the most relevant cover for the environment that we live in. That's something we're really proud of. We've made hundreds of jobs in the country. We've added to the economy. And of course, we've got something that we can be proud of on a worldwide scale. Now, that's the HSP Roll R Cover Series 3.5. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the product and I can't wait to see more out there on the road. As always, for more information, please contact us on www.hsputilities.com or via any of our socials at HSP4x4. You can of course speak to any of our distributors located around the country and internationally as well, and they're all located on the store finder on our website.